I'm Steve Stonecipher. I'm the owner of this home, and we're very happy with the work that was done. I also wanted to mention that the guys who did the work, they were really outstanding. Every night they cleaned up everything. Everything was kept very clean. All the angles, I actually came down and checked some of the angles when I was, well, after they had gone, and everything really worked out really well. We're very satisfied with the work that